We're going to see, there's a question that just came in about the percentage to shift in the coming years. I think absolutely, because the opportunity, the growth right now is going in this middle category. And that's where we've seen sustained growth over the last year in demand. I think it's going to be going up in the future, but it will require LSPs to change their working methods and technology stack.
I think you just said something really important, which on the left bar, it shows human delivered services, no AI. That's not actually the case because within the supply chain, you have linguists and sub suppliers who are training their own systems, saving all the data, pasting into Google Translate. And so there's a lot of data leakage happening in the supply. I mean, we had this in our own business about a year and a half ago. We saw a huge spike in the number, and we manage our linguists directly. So we don't subcontract to other LSPs and we can see what they're doing. And we noticed a huge uptick in them using free tools. And we actually put a bunch of observability in place to just ban this. So we don't permit them to copy and paste. If we see any sort of activity indicative of using free AI tools, we take them off projects. And we did that for quality reasons. But I think what's been really interesting is in the last 6 months is we've had people showing up in our customer programs and in our buying processes looking at data security and model control. And these are usually people from like a CTO's office. And so this sort of uncontrolled use of AI tools in the supply chain, I think this is going to increasingly get eyeballs on it from CISOs and CTO offices that are really looking to lock down data leakage and how AI models are used with corporate data. Have you seen or heard some of that from the people you talk to?
Yes, and I can say that in the last really about 2.5 years, there has suddenly been an explosion of interest in security certification for LSPs because it's gone from where prior to that point, they would have customers say, hey, do you have security stuff? Great, it's a checkbox, to no, we need to verify it. And this issue of data leakage and potential for espionage, loss of intellectual property, has suddenly become a huge concern for sophisticated buyers who are pushing for this. So yeah, it's absolutely growing right now as a concern.